Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and it's time for Friday Funnies. It's becoming my favorite segment. I look forward to Fridays. This is Dwight. We look forward to Fridays, don't we? Absolutely. We have so much fun. Today's the day that we go through and look at all the funny stuff we found on the internet, stuff that you shared with me, stuff that I have found. We put it all together here on Fridays. Now, most of our shows, we post most weeknights between 10 and midnight, so we're late night show, except for Friday Funnies. We're going to post those on Fridays because we want you to watch them at work. Now, don't tell the boss, but be sure to tell your friends. We need them to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to reach our goal of 500 subscribers by April 6th, and so we're going to need your help to be sure and get there. So, but for right now, let's look at some Friday Funnies. Okay, here we go. I always feel kind of goofy because I laugh so much during this segment I can't help it. So just bear with me. It's something I do. So, okay. Male or female, I don't know. But parallel parking sometimes can be extremely intimidating, right? That's always when people are going to get their license. They talk about, oh my gosh, do I have to do the parallel parking? And I would say this person found a way to skip it when they got their license because I don't think this is proper protocol, but let's take a look. We've already caught them, so they drive up over the curb, through the grass. Now they're pulling back. They had to have hit it right there. You see, they hit it. You can tell they hit it. Oh, so we got to pull back forward. So they pull back forward, don't care, and they just ease it gently. Okay, turn the wheel back. Good. You're so close. You got it balanced there on the curb. Let's just drop it off the curb. Bam. Bam. Oh, that's perfect. That is... They use the pole as a gauge to make that work. I thought that was hilarious. Okay. Did you see it? Did you see what just happened? It looks like a regular road, right? If you weren't paying attention, you were going to miss it. Watch this. Here it comes from the left side of the screen. Our buddy on the snowmobile. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Okay, we got to watch it one more time at full speed. There he goes. Boom. It happens so fast. Okay, so you see it where they set up a road, right? They're going to go do it. Used to love Jackass. They used to do stuff like that. Nitro Circus, right? Used to do that, but not these guys. They do it on a road while it's open. Like people are driving. Super dangerous. Don't do that at home, but that's pretty funny. Okay, so this one here, it's kind of car related. It looks like it's a cold night. There's a lot of snow. There's a lot of ice. Like I tell you what, we're not going to drive tonight because it's not safe. We're going to walk because walking is so much safer. They go to the store. They buy the stuff they need. And here they are. They're headed out. They're like, let's just go ahead and walk on home when all of a sudden... Oh my gosh, look at them. Look at her hair. Oh my gosh, that is... All right, let's go in slow motion for a second. So the person in front, the person kind of bops them in the back. So they're already off balance, right? And then they're walking down the sidewalk. And then when it hits, watch the person in the white hoodie there on the left. They don't move. The other two are running inside like, did you see that? That one finally comes to us like, wait, I should... They're like, what happened? Makes me think of like, you ever jump into like really, so I used to live up in the mountains of northern Arizona, a little town called Sholo. We'd go to a lake called Fool's Hollow, and you'd jump in and it was freezing. And like for just a second or two, your body just locked up. That's exactly what it looks like happened with that poor person. Oh my gosh, they got completely trashed. We watched one not too long ago with the lady who got hit with all the mud, but man, the snow. Okay, now this one was sent over by a friend of the show, Jacob_Enzo16. How you doing, buddy? Thank you for sending stuff and sending some great pictures. I call this Carpez, all right? And you're going to see why. The reason I call this Carpez is because, watch this. Did you see it? Watch the muffler on the bottom left of this car just gets ejected like a Pez dispenser. Oh, that's funny. I also think it's funny that this guy just walks by like it's no big deal. Watch it again. Ready? And gun it. Boom. And that guy walks by like, happens every day. As they shot that one out the back. That's funny. Okay, In our ongoing segment of When Tires Go Bad, we had that the other day with that one tire, last Friday, as a matter of fact. If you haven't seen last Friday's Friday Funnies, you need to check that out. It's where the guy, the tires came off the truck, it hit the front of his truck, one launched it in the air and came down and landed directly on the hood. So it was a 2-hit. This happened here. You good, buddy? This one happened here to this person. So this car is already in trouble. It is losing wheels as it's sliding down the street. Look, they slide off, and this poor person, boom, and oh, how bad is that? That's another one of those just being in the wrong place at the wrong time. You got hit by both of them. Took off the back bumper, took off the front bumper. Oh, man, that sucks. That's bad. That's not good. Okay, so again, continuing on with Tires Go Bad. Good looking car. Look at those rims, and I don't know if those are just pedestrians walking by, but check it out. That left tire, man, there's something about left rear tires that are tough, because look, that one just pops off. Bang. That sucks really bad. That's terrible. What a beautiful car. Like I say, the left rear tires are bad, because now I don't know what's happening in this shot exactly, because they're at a stoplight. They've put it into reverse. They're backing up. They're not in the middle of the intersection. So I'm almost thinking they're trying to make some kind of statement, which doesn't go well for them. But check this out. Backs it up, hits the brakes, and just guns it. We're going to peel out and... Oh, they laid rubber, all right. They laid rubber right off the side of the truck. Check that out. Oh, that was bad. Oh, wow, there it was. It's kind of funny, actually. Okay, now this video is actually... Okay. People are weird. And here's what I have to think on this one. Car ownership is expensive, right? By the time you pay for your car, and you got insurance, and you got all that... Man, if you have an accident and you're without your car, well, you're in trouble, right? I mean, you're going to have to pay for towing, you're going to pay for that. This person, this is a dude, he gets in an accident, and he must need his car like today, and he's not going to pay for towing, because check it out. He hops into his car, guns it, just falls off the back of the tow truck, rips off the front bumper, and is like, later. Watch it again. I'm like, oh my gosh. That is so bad. Here he is. Yep, there he goes. He just guns it, rips the front of the car, shuts the door, and takes off. I'm like, wow. Okay. Something's got to be wrong with that, man. That's terrible. Okay. This one's actually not funny. This one's actually super scary, and I know that some of these people got hurt. Normally I laugh when people get hurt, you know that, but this one I didn't, because this one's actually scary. If you are ever driving a golf cart, you got to be careful. And if you're ever driving a golf cart and you have like the end zone markers, like at a football game, the little pylons, you have to be super careful, because they can become lodged on the accelerator. Watch this. This is at AT&T Stadium, Dallas Cowboys. We have a runaway cart that runs over people. It won't stop. This guy just bails out. Luckily, this guy jumps in, moves the pylons, and is able to stop it. Super scary. Look in slow motion. These people just get rocked. Oh, that is so bad. That is so bad. Yeah, so be careful with if you're driving your golf carts. I have no idea what's happening here. They're just driving down the street. There they go. Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea. It's a cement mixer, and they're just pushing them, and there they are. Who knows? Strange stuff. Okay. Okay, when I was younger, my family had horses. And my grandfather, there was this one place where he kept some of the horses, and you had to stop on the side of the road, which was in the busy road. This was between Ruidoso, New Mexico, and Roswell, New Mexico. It's just a 2-lane road, and out in the middle of nowhere. And you had to open the gate, and you had to drive down the gate, and then by the time you drove down the gate, you're like 4 or 5 feet. The gate's up high. Then you have to figure out how to get the gate. As I was younger, I would swing, but then I had to be careful not to hit the driveway and then lock it. So I've had some issues with some tough gates. This person has issues with gates. I have sped this up. This is twice as fast as it would be. I can hear yakety sax play the whole time. And you can tell they're frustrated, like, okay, oh, I got it. Okay, no. Let's see. Let that one go. Let's start with, we're going to get a stick. I think if we get a stick, we can wedge it in there. I'm smart, no problem. And no, there it goes. Okay, I'll run here, I'll run there, and finally caught him. Finally made it happen. But I'm like, oh, what a nightmare trying. Like I say that, if you ever watch Benny Hill, when I was growing up, I would sneak into the living room when my parents didn't know what was going on, and I'd watch Benny Hill because it was inappropriate for probably any age, but for sure the age I was. But I loved it. Super funny show. But that yakety sax, that's what I heard in my head when I saw that. That is like too funny. Ah, that's so good. Okay. We're going to end it here. This one is sent over by Mark Reynolds Solicitors. He posts a lot of, they find some crazy funny stuff. I love this one here. Here recently, we had the guy that was on that scooter, and he was trying to, we don't know what he was trying to, he was going up a ramp trying to park that scooter. I think maybe in the back of a truck or something, and he hit his head. This guy finds himself in a similar situation that he needs to park the motorcycle. So he takes a good little shot. He lines it up. Okay, everything looks pretty good. I think I can make that. I think I can make that happen. But you know what? Make sure you give it a little throttle, Jimmy. It's going to take some throttle, more throttle. But too much throttle. Watch in slow motion. He's doing fine. He's doing good. But something. Oh my gosh, he was doing okay. Look, he was doing fine. I don't know what his buddy's going to do with the stick because he didn't help out anyway, but check it out right there. He's almost out of the shot. Look at that. Oh my gosh. In his defense, and kudos to him, he never let go of the handlebars. He rode it all the way, probably whiskey throttled by then. Oh my gosh, he almost saves it. He lands on there, but then it just runs off the side and off he goes, and down he goes, and boom. That's when his buddies all come into the rescue. So I thought that one was pretty good. Thank you to everybody that submitted some videos or has been posting some cool videos. We've been watching those. If you come across something funny on the internet, you can tag the show in it. Tag Cory Turner Talks Cars. Tag me in there, send it over to me, something like that. Send it to me in some way, and we'll make sure we give you credit. And we'll have a good laugh, right, Dwight, here on Friday Funnies. So thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're growing every day. It's because of you. Be sure to check back most weeknights between 10 p.m. and midnight because we're posting more content every single day. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.